Good afternoon, I'm Patrick Henry from Henry Media Group, and I will be unboxing my Crestron VC4 PC3 that I ordered a couple months ago, and I'm just now getting to the unboxing part. Definitely wanted to do a video on this because not a lot of people are using the Crestron VC4. So I have my handy Crestron tool here. Go through the unboxing of this thing. So, unpacking the VC4 PC3, and as you can tell, this is how it comes shipped. Antenna, power supply, VC4 PC3 itself, and the power supply. So what I'm going to do is take this out of the box as you are watching. So here's the Dell processor itself. So it's an Intel Core i5 V Pro. So not knowing anything about this besides just ordering it, you can see on the back of this, looks like it has display port, whatever that is, 4 USBs, an HDMI, a network cable, and the antenna cable. So it doesn't seem to be too much to it. You do have a front USB, of course power, headphones, all that good stuff for drive. And then of course you have the power supply, standard Dell. You get a power supply, the cable to go with, the power supply itself, plug it in, and then it does come with the antenna for the VC4 PC3. All right.